Centering pass just out of reach for Ovechkin. Niskanen towards the front of the goal. Kuznetsov looking. Ovechkin drives it. And it's diving Hellebuck. Rebound. Score! Alex Ovechkin still going strong. Overpowering at 600.
I'm surprised the boys ain't coming over the bench for this milestone. The fans here on their feet in unison, 4th ever to 600 in less than 1,000 games. The captain does it again here in Washington. And here it is, 6-0-0. The first one stymied, the second one, and we've got history here in Washington. He beats Hellebuck for the second time, and he's got 600 goals.
Alex Ovechkin, as we isolate on him, the footwork in the front of the cage, the determination to find this loose puck. And then he knows what to do with it.
Yeah, and they're stepping back. Well done by Winnipeg. They're allowing the fans to enjoy this here tonight.